Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to block someone on email application. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your email app, which of course I have done right here. Now the next one is how can you download the email app? You can get it on Google Play Store or Apple Store depending on the device that you use. Launch any of those applications and locate the search bar. In the search bar, type email. Follow through with the on-screen instructions to install, and after installing, it's going to take you right into the sign up page for email, where you're going to be asked to either log in using an existing account or to create an entirely new account. Whichever one you choose, once you sign in successfully, it's going to take you right into the fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time on email. So now, let's quickly hop into today's text, and that is how to block someone on the email app. So let's say you have sent a friend request to someone and the person has accepted, or someone sent a friend request to you and you accepted, and you're having a conversation with this person, but the person is somehow misbehaving, or the person got on your nerves, got you angry, and you just want to block the person, get rid of the person on email. Here is how you can block that person. Now, I do not have any friend on email. Okay, I do not have any friend, but if you have friends and you're having conversations, you're going to find your conversations right here on this tab. That is the first icon, right? You're going to find all your conversations here. So all you need to do is to hold down the name of the person that you want to block, and you're going to see the block option. But now I have somebody that I sent a friend request to, so I'm just going to show you what it looks like. So I'm clicking on that top right corner, and then I'm clicking on new contact so that I can find this person. All right, so I'm going to show you an example of what it looks like to block a person. So let's say you want to block this person now. So just click on the name of the person that you want to block and click on the person's name so that you can get to the person's profile. All right, so once you get into the person's profile, at the top right corner of the screen, you're going to find the three dots icon. Now click on the three dot icons and it takes you here. You have the source report and you have block. So for you to block this person, go ahead and click on that. Toggle that on, and you have this banner that says, are you sure you want to block this contact? Block contacts will not be able to message or call you, and to view users you block, you can go to settings, privacy, and block list. So once you do this, go ahead and click on block, and after clicking on block, that person is going to be blocked. Now you can do that using any of the friends that you have. You don't have to go through that step because that's a pending request. So just from here, you can see your friend, open up your friend, open up the chat, head over to the profile, click on the three dots icon, and go ahead and click on block. That's it. So you can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.